Okay, so I'm sitting here laughing at myself trying to figure out how to start the intro to this video. Um, Man, if I put up my outtakes, I think you guys would have a lot of fun with it. So happy Tuesday morning, everybody. I'm here inside the Airstream. It's a gorgeous sunny day outside, and I'll probably be going out there in a little while. I've been up for hours, and it's only 10 o'clock, so I spent this weekend working on a proposal for a new client. So I wanted to talk more about earning a living from the RV again, and I haven't done that in a little while. In the past couple of weeks, I've been up at Lake Powell and the Vermilion Cliffs and the Grand Staircase, and then over to Cortez, Colorado, and finally came back here a couple of days ago. So last week there was a lot of videos going up, and this week you're probably saying, hey, I haven't seen a video from Rich in a couple of days. Well, part of the trip was seeing how many videos I could do in a week, if they were decent quality, or if I should cut back on the quantity of videos and enhance the quality. So I'm still playing around with that, where I want to land on that. I always want to improve the videos more, so we will be doing that. And also, I wanted to say, so I'm trying to get this video done early enough because because of white noise. So right now in the background, this microphone's probably not picking it up, but my HEPA filter's running on medium. It's already heating up here in the Airstream. And one of the things I have to do when I'm working out of the Airstream office is I've got to be conscious of all the white noise, because let me tell you, there's a lot of white noise in an RV, be it a 25-foot Airstream or a larger Class A diesel pusher. We contend with a lot of white noise that you don't think about living in a house. So my air conditioner is up above me, and it's supposed to get up to 90 today, which means the air conditioner is going to be going on. And with the air conditioner going on, this would sound horrible. As a matter of fact, let's just go ahead and maybe this is going to filter it out good. So there's the air conditioner, and when it gets hot here, this thing runs and runs and runs. Even though my electric bill is not super huge, this is running all the time. So there's one white noise generator. I'm going to kill that now. The other white noise generator is, of course, my HEPA filter. And then during colder days, we've got the blower heater on. We've got a little space heater on. There's always some kind of noise in here. I wish spring would last longer so that it would be, 40 at night and 70 during the day, because then I wouldn't have all these devices running and, mucking up the background sound for me. So, okay. With that out of the way and my little rant about background noise. So this weekend, I spent the entire weekend researching search engine optimization, going through keywords for a potential new client who contacted me last week. Now, I'd met this person before at one of the RV resorts that I've worked with, and they didn't seem too interested at the time. They were asking me about search engine optimization and if it could help their home building business, which absolutely it can. And so finally, he decided to get in touch, and it's been like 2 years. And he's realized, as he's done his own research on SEO, that he doesn't have the first clue about it. So I literally spent most of my weekend, when I wasn't outside enjoying myself, sitting on Chrome and researching things. And so for me, website design and search engine optimization and drone flight, these things all come together. And this particular potential customer is a great combination for all these things. He's a home builder. So he's selling new homes to people. They're constructing new homes all over the state of Arizona. And they would like to be better known for constructing resort homes throughout the state of Arizona. Taking a look at what they had this weekend, they could do a lot better. Their suppliers are doing better. Their competitors are doing better. Some of the resort communities that they put homes into are doing better. So there's a lot of opportunity for that. So doing SEO research, I can do that research at Lake Powell, in Cortez, out in Borrego Springs. Wherever I've got a network connection, I can do the work. So I have fashioned my business around being able to be portable. So while I'm not on the road as much as I'd like to be, I can still get on the road and complete the tasks that I need to for my customers. So when you're thinking about full-time RVing and a business for your RV, one of the things that you've got to keep in mind, and I said this in a previous video, is are the jobs that you're looking into location specific, or are the jobs portable? Can you do it by telecommuting? In my old life, when I was with Sprint PCS and AT&T Wireless, I could run my switching centers from my downstairs living room. So I had a cable modem. I could dial in. We called it dial into the switch, but it wasn't really dialing in anymore. And so the bulk of my job I could perform from my downstairs living room. So that job would have been conducive to traveling, though a lot of companies get nervous about that. You do see more and more businesses who are allowing for it. So another favorite tool that I use is Buffer, the Buffer app. And the other year I found out that one of the members of Buffer, and Buffer's used for automatically posting pre-written tweets and for working with Instagram and Google Plus, and it's a pretty cool app. So if you haven't checked it out, look up Buffer app and you'll find them real quick. But so one of the employees for Buffer actually hit the road the other year, and he and his wife were traveling full-time in an RV, and he was doing his job for Buffer from the road. So not location specific. So another web-centric job, but there are a lot of network-centric jobs out there. And if you're in the kind of marketplace for telecom, communications, web design, search engine optimization, you can probably find a niche in all of this as well. So there you go. So I just wanted to give you my personal story, because this morning I have spent the bulk of the morning, I got up at 5, and I spent the bulk of the morning continuing more SEO research and then writing up some discovery sessions. So I'm going to be talking to the potential client again on Friday. I sent him some homework to do, and on Friday we're going to discuss the homework I sent him, see if we're a good fit, and if we are, we'll probably be starting into a new project next week and demonstrating once again that I don't need to be in a brick and mortar building to work with my clients. And in some cases, being highly portable means I can go to their locations, do photo work for them, do video work for them, and sit down and actually discuss what they want for their online presence. Not only that, but I can actually execute the changes right there with them so they can see real time that we're addressing their needs. All right, everyone, I'm out of here because I actually do have to get back to work, and it's getting kind of nasty in here. So the air conditioner is going on. So there goes the white noise again. I'll see you on the next video. We'll probably be posting one a little later in the week, and it'll be more fun than this one because it won't just be talking about work.